But there would be no other point to use butter. Just for taste, I guess. If you know what I mean.
Because I'm used to making like scrambled eggs, but it's like it would still add like is like cooking too much
This
for
is
you.
cooking so fast.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's already done.
Yeah. Holy crap, Liam! I think you're gonna have scrambled eggs.
Right on.
This is not gonna be an omelet.
Yeah, plus you're getting like also some char in there too.
It's called
Well, there's a second substance. Is the firewood itself?
Mystery ingredient.
Yeah.
Holy crap!
You need lower heat for that.
Yeah.
Turn it down a little bit.
Let's just turn this down a little bit.
Knob right here.
Actually, give me some cheese right now, Liam.
Yeah, it's actually not coming out as bad as I thought. I mean,
It's not too off. It's just not gonna look like an omelet.
It's just.
I mean, can't be okay how it looks as long as it's edible.
Is there cheese in there? Actually, right?
That's how you learn to eat
Yeah,
squirrel when you run your food supply, because you accidentally. Yeah, the fun of camping is you
Oh,
just pull
jeez.
the eat
Yeah.
the food that you left out the night before.
Sprinkle like all on top.
Cheese.
Time lapse him trying to figure out how to open it.
Yay, we did it.
Good job, Liam.
Nah, it's not over the fire.
Try it, but.
It's like this on this episode of Man vs. Wild.
Man versus food.
Yeah. I think that is a legit show, though.
Man versus the fire pit.
Yeah.
We will cook with
Yeah.
you.
I don't have TV anymore, so I don't really.
Neither. It's called YouTube and Pirate Bay.
Yeah.
Piracha Bay.
Yeah, the fire is slowing down now.
Se hit. Sus cabeza con un pistola.
Amazing.
That makes no sense. Actually, I said I'm gonna hit your head with a pistol.
Is that what you said?
Yes.
Okay.
This is from a
Hit
book.
or shoot?
Hit.
Hit.
I
Okay.
hear the word hit is though, so I just said hit.
Oh,
Hit
okay.
sus cabeza con un
Forgot what the word
pistola.
hit was.
Yeah,
Wait,
it's
what?
Wait, what?
Spanish.
Did I just hear that right?
Wait, sorry, what?
Where Hitler? What are you guys talking about?
I was
I
like-
heard hit.
Yeah, what is hit in Spanish? I forgot what hit meant. Or how do you say hit in Spanish?
I have no clue.
No,
Zero.
no say.
Alright, so I need to get back to actually working on the fire here. Alright. Alright. And
You put the cheese away, Liam?
Yeah.
Let's see. You're not a cheese man, huh?
No, it's supposed to use more.
No, I like adding more cheese on top.
Oh,
Because
you
why
wanna do
not?
it? Okay.
damn, I forgot I have an apron, dang it.
Oh no.